Everyone, welcome to the course of mobile application development. In today's class, we are going to learn a new concept called working with SQLite databases. So in this section, you can see how to create and interact with the SQLite databases within our application. So we have an helper class as SQLiteopenhelper. So in order to manage database creation and version management, we generally go through this SQLiteopenhelper. So in order to create the subclass implementing, we have three types of commands in order to create, in order to upgrade, and in order to open the SQLite databases. So first one we have on create SQLite database, which is used to create a database using SQLiteopenhelper. And the second one we have on upgrade SQLite database, int, which is considered as one of the upgradation of SQL database using SQLiteopenhelper. And the third one we have on open SQLite database, which helps in opening the SQLite database using SQLiteopenhelper. So these are the three main things we have to manage the database creation and version management using this particular helper class. Not only that, you also have querying a database and extracting the values from the cursors using open helper, and we also have adding, updating, removing rows. All these things will be can be fetched or taken into action with the help of SQLiteopenhelper. So we are going to see them in the coming classes. Thank you.